Hello everyone, I am James. My goal with this video is to educate you on the fundamental concepts of fire prevention, which is built around three main concepts: education, enforcement, and engineering. By understanding these concepts, we can work together to reduce the risk of fires and maintain a safe environment for our community. Education is necessary to teach the public about fire safety practice, such as working smoke detectors and creating escape plans. I remember when the fire department came to my school when I was in elementary school, taught us about fire escape plans. It could be fun. Enforcement refers to the application of fire code and regulations to ensure compliance and safety. Engineering involves the design and construction of buildings to minimize fire hazards. In our jurisdiction, we enforce fire code through regular inspections and by requiring permits for new construction and renovations. In our community, fire codes are enforced by the local fire marshal office. They conduct inspections on both new and existing occupancies to ensure compliance with safety standards. For new buildings, plans must be submitted for review, and inspections are conducted at various stages of the construction. Existing buildings are also inspected regularly to ensure they meet the current fire safety codes. Local organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association play an important role in determining the fire resistance of building materials. They establish standards and guidelines that manufacturers must follow to determine the fire ratings. Various tests are conducted, including the STM E119 test, which measures how long a building material can withstand fire exposure without failing. Fire tests and ratings are crucial for inspections and code enforcement. They help us assess whether material used in construction meet the safety standards. When conducting inspections, we refer to these ratings to ensure that the materials used in buildings can withstand fire and prevent it from spreading. Unsafe structures often exhibit several characteristics that violate code requirements. These may include inadequate fire exits, a lack of fire-resistant material, and poor maintenance. Identifying these issues allow us to take corrective action to protect the community. In our community, wood frame construction in buildings pose the biggest potential hazard in the spread of fire. This type of construction is highly flammable and can allow fires to spread quickly. To mitigate these risks, we must ensure that the proper fire safety measures are in place. Implementing plans for review and structural control is vital for fire protection. By reviewing building plans before construction begins, we can identify the potential hazards and ensure that safety measures are integrated from the start. Proactive approaches can greatly improve the safety of structures that may otherwise be deemed unsafe. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the fire prevention and the importance of education, enforcement, and engineering in our community. Together we can work towards a safe environment for everyone. Remember, fire safety is everyone's responsibility. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.